Sellers, are you looking for a one-stop shop for all your real estate needs? Our team has you covered from the first phone call through the final walkthrough. Here's our comprehensive list of seller services designed to make your life and the sale of your home simple and successful. Number 1, property evaluation. We conduct a thorough walkthrough of your home and provide a comprehensive list of any pre-listing repairs or improvements. Number 2, pre-market preparation. We offer hands-on management, including vendor estimates, scheduling repairs, and expert staging to showcase your home at its best. Number 3, crafting the story. Our team handles copywriting, photography, and videography to create a stunning lifestyle or luxury tour video, brochure or coffee table book, listing website, and marketing materials. Number 4, marketing and promotion. We use targeted digital marketing of property videos across all social media platforms, engage with agents, print promotions, and curate events to ensure maximum exposure. Number 5, personalized showings. We provide guided buyer tours to ensure that buyers experience every exceptional feature of your home. Number 6, transaction management. We offer hands-on management from contract through inspection, appraisal, and closing, making the process seamless and stress-free. Number 7, personal vendor referral. Whether you need painters, contractors, concierge movers, home managers, or designers, we have you covered with our trusted network of professionals. Perhaps most important on this list is our responsiveness. We work tirelessly to ensure you are never left in limbo waiting on an answer. Ready to make your home sale simple and successful? Contact us today.